I'm Matt.
I'm Michelle.
We're cooking together.
Yeah. What did you do?
Put my hand down a little hot stove.
Oh no. Are you okay?
Yeah, I didn't need that hand. I got a second one. It's alright. It's just the left hand. No big deal.
Alright guys, today we're going to teach you how to make super duper easy baked acorn squash. First thing you need to know, look for a squash that has a big orange spot on it. They're the best. You're going to take a really sharp knife.
I get to do it.
Okay. You're going to cut it this way.
Okay.
Go for it. Watch your fingers.
Holy moly.
This is why I was going to say I would.
Okay, now you can do it.
Okay. So
I
typically.
thought that was going to be easy.
No, just be careful. I do it like this and then I roll it down. It's not an easy task. There
There we
we
go.
go. Okay. Inside, you're going to see it looks very similar to a pumpkin.
Yeah.
You're going to do it kind of sort of like you would a pumpkin. Scrape all that. You can do this.
Yeah. No, it's just like pumpkin.
It's okay. You can see. Looks nice and clean, right? Next, some room temperature butter. Our son is dairy free, so the butter that we use is dairy free butter. You can use regular butter. Some people actually might even use olive oil. I'm gonna take a chunk. I would say do about 2 tablespoons of butter in each one. A little bit of brown sugar. I'm just gonna take this. I'm just gonna take a nice scoop. I'll just dump it in there. I'm gonna do a little bit of pepper. I'm gonna do a little bit of salt. Done. I'm going to take some aluminum foil, break it off. I'm going to take this one, I'm going to cover this squash. We'll do it this way. Let's cover it up.
Okay.
I have a pan, put it in the oven. I put a piece of parchment paper on it. I'm going to put here. I'm going to put here. I've preheated my oven to 400 degrees. I'm going to pop them in the oven. I'm going to check them after about 30 minutes. And now we wait. Alright guys, we're gonna take our squash out of the oven. It's been about an hour, baking at 400 degrees. Huh. This is Izzy B. Hi Izzy. Because this is really hot, we'll take it off. You can see it's steaming. All the butter melted, so we're gonna pick it up.
Oh boy.
So there's all of our butter and our brown sugar. We're just going to kind of go, and you just want to scoop all this stuff out.
It smells great.
You see this? This is butter and brown sugar. Mix that all in, and you have a great, tasty, healthy, super duper easy side dish. Easy baked acorn squash. And if you want, you can check out more videos at Make It Matter TV. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.